Please, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Archibald Denchi. I'm a farmer.
I come to learn about how to start tomato farming. So if you are interested to start tomato farming, please follow us with this interview. Okay, please, what inspired you to start tomato farming?
Well, for me, all the time I wanted to farm. I wanted to farm because farming is good and it's my aim to feed the nation. That is my aim. One day I'll feed the nation so that people will not go hungry. Yeah. So I decided to farm. That's why I have animal farming. Apart from the animal farm, I'm doing the bit. I have the poultry, I have goats, I have rabbits, then I have the hens. But I decided to add the crops to it so that I'll see what I can balance it. So I started the tomatoes farming this year and pepper farming too. And also have a maize farming. But for the maize, I'm trying to do the maize so that it can support me with the feed from the animal side. Yeah.
So the tomatoes, what challenge that you're able to face with your first seed?
It's money because I didn't know how to start with. So it's like when I came to see the chief told me that the land is there. It's up to me to decide. But I didn't know when to start. So it started from last 2 years. So we were bargaining. So I went to the farmers to ask them how they plow, and the farmers to when they come, those who read the amount they charge them. So I was just doing my budget for it. For the tomatoes, the pepper farm, I spent almost 500 doing it. For the lease, we've not talked about it because the king is a friend to me. So it's like he has leased the land for me to use. Yeah.
So the size of the land.
Let's say 1 acre. I would say 1 acre.
Okay. So the plowing take how much?
The plowing is 400 cities. 400 cities.
Okay. So can you take us through the step before you plant the tomatoes?
Oh, you have to buy the seedling. The seedling, the bottle is 100 Ghana cedis. Then you nurse the seedlings. When you nurse it, let's say it will take about 3 weeks, almost a month. Then you start transplanting. That is the purpose. You start transplanting. But when you start transplanting, you notice that it's not easy. You transplant and you water the plant also. Sometimes too, when you are transplanting, you buy fertilizer, then you add it to the water so that when you just pour the water, yeah, like you just water the plant. Then that is all. You not use any fet again. But my own, I think from the scratch, the first one I use fertilizer to water. That is all. I didn't add any fertilizer again.
So what breed that do you have here? What?
I have the it's a Boliga, the Boliga seed.
Okay.
That one is very fast. It germinates very fast, and when it's mature too, you see that it's very bulky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go back to the nursing. The nursing. How do you do it?
The nursing.
Yeah.
Oh, you just have to uproot the soil to some level. That is, you are doing a sunken bed.
Okay.
So the sunken bed, you just threw a line inside. You use your finger to do a line inside. Then you pour the seedlings inside the lines.
Okay.
After that, you spread the soil. After spreading the soil on it, you just have to get weeds like the palm nut branch.
Okay.
You just cut some and place it on the bed. after that, you get water, you water. So let's say every 3 days you come and water. It will take to a time that you stop the watering till it germinates. When it germinates, you just have to come and remove the palm nut branch from it.
Okay.
Then you make a hole square to cover it so that the sun will not shine it on it plenty for it to die.
Okay.
Then you do the watering again. So you do it for about 3 weeks, 1 week,
Okay.
and then you have another 1 week interval. You stop the watering and see. Then so it will take about 3 weeks. Then it's ready for transplant.
Okay. If you're new to this channel, please like the video, share, and subscribe. So after you transport the tomatoes, how many times do you water it?
After you transplant the water every morning, let's say from the scratch, that first day you transplant, you have to water. Then 2 days later, you come and water again. Then you will check the level of how the plant is growing. Then you stop. That's all.
So you say like 1 acre, you spend 500 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Okay, so after everything, how much you
Well,
expect to get?
because right now for the harvest, I've already started the harvest,
Okay.
and I have 1,300. Yes, I'm still harvesting.
Okay.
So my estimation, because for the pepper, I've not started the harvest, but for the tomatoes, I'm harvesting. So I'm thinking I'll get, that's the imagination, 5,000, 6,000.
Okay, so
The
that in all you can get 5,000 out of your expenses.
expenses.
Okay,
Yes.
so
That's my expectation.
okay, so do you have a laborers?
Laborers, I have two.
Okay, so how much do you
That
pay
one,
them?
they are casual.
Okay,
Well, I've done it a monthly
okay,
because the monthly, they have not decided. They said that because I'm starting, they want to help. So if I get any, I should give it to them. So sometimes I give them 200 each.
okay.
Yeah.
After you transplant, it take how long before the tomatoes start bear fruit?
Oh, let's say 1.5 month.
Okay,
1.5 months. Then you start germinating.
okay.
Mm.
So what time you can do harvesting?
Harvesting after the 1.5 month, you just 2.5 months, you will start harvesting.
Okay, so how many times do you do harvest?
Oh, it's weekly.
Okay,
The weekly will come here. Today is Thursday. Monday we were here.
okay,
Myself, I will not come, but they will come and get the harvest, the tomato. They will come and do the harvest.
okay.
Then today is Thursday, so it's like 2 days in a week we do harvest. So next week, like this Monday, we'll come here and harvest. And then the pan, we have the biggest pan. The biggest pan, the cost is 300 Ghana cedis. Yes.
So in a week, if one harvest, how many the pan can get for?
In a week,
Like in the one harvest, like today.
today it's it's if I get one pan, the one pan is 300.
Okay,
So if I get two pan, it's 600.
so today how many pan you can get?
Maybe today, maybe 1.5 pan.
Okay. So how long it take before you harvest everything finish?
That one I will not know because I'm praying that it will rain so that I'll keep on harvesting. But right now I will know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So tomatoes farm, is this profitable?
Oh, for my first time, I can see it's profitable. But one thing is, when you do it in a large scale, you benefit more. That's what I foresee. Yeah, this is my first time, but I'm not going back. I will still do more. Yeah, because it's my first time doing this. So I'm praying that the Lord will grant me the energy to do that and bless me to do more.
So the next season, what the if I size of acres they want to grow?
Oh, I want to do 2 acres or 3 acres tomatoes farm. That will be only tomatoes. Then I'll try to another 2 acres pepper farm. Yeah, like I've started another half acre to be added to the 1 acre. So I'm still doing it. Yes.
Okay. So the tomatoes have a disease.
Yeah, they do. They do. But I've seen some small insects when it germinates flowers, they start consuming. So we bought some pesticide and we spray them on it. Yeah. That one is 35 Ghana cedis. So,
Okay, so you see, these the foreign ones or the one you the need if I do it for a year.
the seed is we have the local and the foreign one.
Okay.
The local and the foreign one.
So yours is a local one.
Yes, it's local.
Okay, thank you for watching. Like the video, share and subscribe. So if you know watch our previous interview with the rabbit, you can like the link is there. So you click on it and watch our previous interview with the rabbit. He's doing rabbit, so click that side so I can watch the video. Okay, thank you. Bye.